Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share my Coach collection with you guys. I have all the bags here. I don't have a large collection. I have just 5 bags, so it's not going to take that long to show you guys my entire collection. So I'm going to start with my oldest one and I'm going to show you my newest one, which is my last unboxing. If you have seen my last unboxing, you have seen that bag already, but yeah, I'm just going to share my collection in one video. That's why I'm doing this video. And also I promised you guys in last video that I'm going to show you my entire collection, so I'm doing this. Yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So this is my first bag, which is a tote, you can see, with zipper on the top. And I have a sweater inside to keep it stuffed. So this is how the inside looks like. It has one zipper pocket, 2 slip pockets. I don't think you can see, but there are 2 slip pockets, and that is a small slip pocket for, I think, pen, tiny little bit, this much, right here in the middle, this side. Here is the logo and here is the details, and there is a tag here, Coach tag. And this is a beautiful bag, and this is I would say a right size bag. I don't like very big bags or very small bags for a tote. I think it's perfect size. And at the end maybe I'll do the try on so that you can see how they look on the body frame. Yeah, so this is the front, this is the back, the bottom, and there is the handle. And let me show you the inside. If you can see, I don't think you can see, but this is the inside. And this bag is, I would say, 15 years old, because I got this bag in 2011 from Atlantic City, New Jersey. And yeah, when we were staying in Connecticut, we went to Atlantic City and I got this bag from there, I think from the outlets, Atlantic City outlets. Yeah, so this bag is 15 years old, and I don't see any wear and tear. I mean, I can see on the corners, but not that much. It's kind of blending with the bag because it's black, so it's not that visible, and it's very clean. Yeah, this is my first ever designer bag, guys. Can you believe that? 15 years ago I got this bag. Yeah, so this is my first bag from Coach. I love Coach, guys. I just love Coach. I don't know what about Coach, but I love Coach. And yeah, I love the quality and I love the look of the bag. Yeah, so this is my first bag. And then I got this bag. This is from the outlet again, premium outlet from Connecticut, because we used to live there from 2010 to 2016. And yeah, I got this one from the outlets. And this is a perfect bag for Disneyland or Disney World or any theme park, because there is a pocket here. Do you see the side profile? Yeah, right there, there is a pocket. You can put your passes here, and like gums and easy access stuff you can put in the front right there. And I love this style of lock, tongue lock, and it has a crossbody strap. You can adjust the strap, and this is a cloth strap. And here is the interior, light interior, same color as the outside, gray interior, but Yeah, I can fit a lot of stuff inside. Everything for the theme park. So very roomy and it sits flat on the body. I'm going to try it on at the end so you can see how it looks. And here is the back, no pocket, just a front pocket, and it has gold hardware. This is the color difference, it's black and this is gray. So I have only two logo, Coach logo bags, this and that one. And then in between I got many bags, but I don't have them in my collection because I sold them or I gave them away. But the next bag I got for my trip to India because I wanted a bigger bag for the plane and to keep all the documents like passports and OCI cards and all those stuff. So I got this bag. This is from outlet again. This is a leather bag. I would say grain leather. It's not smooth. I think I didn't store it properly, so you can see the shape is not what is it called, original, not original. Shape is not perfect, like it's not standing. Yeah, I think I have to stuff it nicely. Front is okay, the back is kind of, I don't know why it's like this. You can see the size difference, right? So yeah, I got this mainly for travel because I had to carry many items, and it has a zipper on the top, and I prefer my bag to be closed because I don't know, if there is a zipper then no one can go inside your bag, just peace of mind. Yeah, so here is the interior, light interior, same as the outside, but yeah, this has the same material as other two, kind of polyester, I think, some fabric. And again it has two slip pockets on this side and a zipper pocket right here, a big zipper pocket, you can see. Yeah, that's it. And it has silver hardware, no pocket in the back. And again this went through a lot on my trips, but I don't see any wear and tear with the leather. I can see little bit of color transfer, but I don't see any scratch or any mark on the back or bottom. It's in perfect shape. And I got this bag, I would say maybe 2018, 19 or 2020, I don't remember, but yeah, this is not that old, 5 or 6 years old. And then I got this bag. This is the trail bag. I'm going to write the name of all the bags if I can find them, but I have an unboxing video for this bag, so I'm going to link it down, or you can just go to my Coach playlist and check the video. So I got this bag in California in 2025, I think, because I forgot to get a crossbody bag for Disneyland. We are supposed to go to Disneyland and I forgot a crossbody bag, and for a theme park you should have a crossbody bag to be hands-free. And I got my Speedy, I think, which is a top handle bag, which is not ideal for a theme park. So I got this bag. This is not from the outlet, this is from the regular store. And like I said, this is the trail bag, I think, re-edition or something like that. And the hardware is antique gold, a black tag with, this has 2 tags. And here is the interior. It has canvas interior, not polyester, this is canvas. This feels better than the outlet bags. And here is the tag. There is a small slip pocket. I just realized that there is a slip pocket. I didn't notice that before. And also there is a Coach tag. right here. Comes with two handles. This is shoulder handle and this is a crossbody handle. Yeah, so this is my fourth bag, which is just 1 year old. And my last but not the least is this bag, which is Chelsea 30, which is my newest bag. So I have an unboxing video for this one, the video just before this video. So if you want to check the unboxing video for this bag and try on, you can go and check that video. Here is the interior. It has suede interior, a light brown suede, so you can find your stuff easily. It has one zipper pocket on the back, and I don't see any slip pocket in the front, so it has just a single back pocket. So now I'm going to show you guys how they look on me. I am just 4'11" and 115 pound.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that takes a cool sign. Same ball cap, same old boots, trying to outrun the thought of you. But in this town the truth don't stop. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on but not too far, just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns just don't forget. I guess you're right about that. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving fast. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Don't go too far when it's written in the counting stars. I tried leaving, tried it all. You can't leave in a town this small. Yeah. Ooh. You can change your mind but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. Every red light still knows your car. Every porch light still breaks my heart. You can back it up, girl, burn it all. You can't leave in a town this small. You can change your mind and not your.
So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.